The Metafly can take turns, fly fast or slow, and maneuver around just about anything. It weighs less than 10 grams, is 19 centimeters long, and has a 29 centimeters wingspan. The robot can reach top speeds of 18 kilometers per hour and has a maximum range of 100 meters. Tweaking the angle of the tail alters the robot's flight characteristics. A 2-channel remote gives users the power to control Metafly even in the most compact spaces. The robot is pretty much crash-proof thanks to its elastic wings made of carbon fiber, liquid crystal polymer, and oriented polypropylene. There are also in-legs front and back bumpers to protect its body. The movement is handled by a mechanical coreless motor with an aluminum heat sink, powered by a hybrid lithium polymer battery. The Metafly can be charged either by placing it into a dock with the remote or using a separate power bank which enables charging without the controller. The power bank allows for 20 full charges before needing to reduce itself. Charge time is approx. 12 minutes which allows for 8 minutes of flying time.